Hello, everyone. This is Lauren. I am a care coordinator at Vytal Health, and we are so excited to share with you our functional medicine guide, Navigating the Path to Wellness. During this short little presentation, I am going to talk a little bit about what functional medicine is, how it is a whole person approach, and why functional medicine is a little bit different than more traditional medicine that we might all be used to. Vytal Health is an online virtual clinic. So we see all of our patients via video, and I'll cover that a little bit too during the presentation. Let's get started. So, what is functional medicine? It is a personalized and patient centered approach to healthcare that really is looking for the root cause of your illness rather than just treating the symptoms. So, by considering the whole body, we think about the mind, we think about the environment that you're in. Functional medicine practitioners are aiming to promote optimal health and wellness, and really it's more of a prevention model. We want to see you before you get chronically sick. That being said, we are also well versed in chronic illness and able to get to the root cause of some more complicated conditions with our testing. Um, and it's very patient centered, like I mentioned. So we're going to spend a lot of time talking to you. And let's take a look at some of the things that the doctor might cover during your appointment. So, this whole person approach is going to look at all different kinds of things that might be influencing your health. Um, Certainly, we can talk about nutrition, things to add into diets, things to take out, whether that's temporarily or long term. We can also do testing for food sensitivities if that's warranted. A lot of our treatment plans are going to include vitamins, supplements, and herbs. So we are going to tailor our recommendations to you specifically, tell you exactly what to take and when to take it. All of the guesswork is removed, and they are based on the results that we get back from the lab. So it's not just a shot in the dark. We know what your body needs and what it's lacking, and that's what we can supplement you with. As well as vitamins and supplements, we do also prescribe medications and other treatments. So we can refer you to specialists should that be needed. We can send medications to compounding pharmacies and other local pharmacies for you and manage your medications. Lifestyle changes. So we talked a little bit about nutrition, but lifestyle changes obviously cover things like exercise, mindfulness practices. The doctor is going to want to get a good picture of kind of what is going on in different areas of your life. And if they can help you manage stress better, for example, that will be part of the treatment plan too. And all of our providers have lots of tricks up their sleeves and tools in their toolkits to introduce to you. It's not going to be a one size fits all approach. What's in your treatment plan is going to be specific to you. And then, of course, testing. So, advanced diagnostic testing is kind of how we get to those root cause issues that are then presenting themselves as symptoms. So, we order at home testing kits, which it's like it sounds, it's shipped straight to your door and you self collect, and then we get the results. We also work with labs. So you can go to any lab that accepts your insurance and pay for the labs that way. And these detailed labs really do give the doctors the information that they need to be able to treat you as a whole person. So, why might you choose functional medicine over conventional medicine? We have touched on some of these points already, but it's nice to see the kind of side by side here. So, functional medicine is considered patient centered. We're going to spend a lot of time listening to you. We're going to spend a lot of time going over paperwork that you have filled out. We really want to get to know you. You come up with your health goals, and we work with you to reach those goals. Health focused rather than diseased focused. That is that whole thing of making you as healthy and your health as optimal as possible rather than waiting for you to feel sick and then giving you a medication to cover a symptom. So that leads into that root cause analysis, which we talked about, with getting to the bottom of why these things are happening, rather than medicating symptoms, which often in turn leads to another medication and another medication. So it's a very preventative approach rather than a reactive approach. Very personalized. We go off of what we're learning on your testing and in your appointments. Lots of time with the doctor as well. Our appointments go from 60 minutes and the shortest is 30 minutes. And we really do use every minute of that time. One of the ways that we can do that is because we are virtual. So let's move in to talk a little bit about telemedicine. Telemedicine obviously got very, very popular around 4 years ago when the pandemic was happening, and it has continued to grow since then. We love it because it does mean that our doctors get to spend all of that time one-on-one with the patient. There's no sitting in a waiting room. You can meet with the doctor wherever you are at, and hopefully that is from the comfort of your own home in your environment where you feel comfortable and allows you to open up and speak to the doctor. It has made it so much more accessible for a lot of people. We have patients who do not wish to leave their house, or patients who are quite rural and there is no access to functional medicine close to them. And so the way that the practice is set up with getting a video link and just being able to click and join from where they are at, as long as they have internet, they can meet with us. It's working very, very well. And a lot of patients have said that they are very happy and surprised with how personable the appointment felt. Especially those patients who were worried ahead of time that they would really like to be in person. They have managed to kind of overcome that and see the benefits themselves. So functional medicine as a whole is increasing in popularity. The one of the great things about it is insurance is now starting to also recognize functional medicine, and there are a lot of tests that can be covered. We also accept HSA and FSA funds, so those can be used too when you're paying for services with us, when you're paying for testing, and when you're paying for supplements as well. If you would like to learn more about what we offer at Vytal Health, please do not hesitate to reach out. We would love to chat. You can call the office directly, 855-998-4900. Send us an email or check out the website and book yourself a free discovery call. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.